Hi friends, welcome back to this videos. In this videos, we are going to share new upcoming smartphones. The name is Nokia X400 5G 2024. Today we are going to share a new upcoming smartphones of the Nokia brand whose name is Nokia X400 5G 2024. Those who use mobile phones in life, that person must know the Nokia is the most popular and favorite mobile company in the world. In this video, we are going to share Nokia upcoming smartphones X400 5G price, space, release date, and more. We are trying to serially describe the Nokia X400 5G release date, full specifications, and price so that with us continue watching these videos. So let's get started. The Nokia X400 5G full specifications. First, we are talking about the displays. The Nokia upcoming smartphone X400 5G 2024 comes with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen displays, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. The good news for the Nokia X400 5G 2024 mobile lovers, this mobile uses display resolutions of 1440 multiplied by 3200 pixels. In the display section, this mobile also used always on display, which is very helpful for an active users. After briefly describing the display, now we are going to share another very important part of the special phones, whose name is camera, battery, and storage. Camera section, Nokia added a quad 144 megapixels primary lens plus 32 megapixels ultra wide lens plus 16 megapixels wide sensors plus 5 megapixels depth sensors as the back camera. For selfies, it has a 64 megapixel cameras. Regular camera features like ZZ's optics, LED flash, Pronma and HDR are added. Now you can easily pick a pictures or selfie by using front cameras. The battery is very important part of a good smartphones. So the Nokia X400 5G 2024 used a 6900 mAh Li-polymer type non-removable battery for its long-time services. After charging once, you don't need a charge for at least 13 hours. The fast battery charging is common special features for a flagship device, so this phone includes 45-watt quick battery charging features. Now we have to discuss the operating systems. In the operating system section, the smartphone added Android 14, the powerful Snapdragon's 8 Gen 3 mobile platform make this smartphone very fast. The Nokia smartphone used GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE 5G as the network technology. The sensor is an important part of a good smartphone. So Nokia upcoming mobile used the latest sensors technology and their name is fingerprint under displays. Now we have to discuss the Nokia X400 5G 2024 price. The price is not available for these upcoming smartphones. In this videos, you will find the Nokia X400 5G 2024 price in the USA, UK, Australia and European countries info. Price will be the Nokia X400 5G 2024 price will be started from 420 USDT to 385 euros. Now we have to discuss the release date. After knowing the viral news of the Nokia flagship smartphones, every person who loves the Nokia mobile, they are searching for the exact release date of the Nokia X400 5G 2024. But we are sorry to inform you that there is no official release date available for these smartphones. The accepted release date of the Nokia X400 5G 2024 is 28 November 2024, or it may be late to release for features update or company issues. I hope you have completely understand the price, space, features, design, concept, rumors, pre-orders by online release date and news content. Do you have any kind of questions? So do tell us in the comment sections. I want to see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.